Updating plugins sounds simple until your site crashes and your soul leaves your body. Let's prevent casualties together. First, log into your WP dashboard, and before anything else, back it up. I'm using all-in-one WP migration plugin for this one. If you're using Updraft Plus, don't worry, we've got tutorial for that too. Hover over all-in-one WP migration, then click Backups. You'll see your existing backups, but for sake of drama, let's make new one. Click Create Backup. Give it a minute, it's working harder than most interns. Once it's done, download file to your computer. And if you've got backup graveyard, delete old ones. Server space is sacred. Click 3 dots, then click Delete. Now, plugin updates. Click Plugins tab, then update one at a time. Let each update finish before starting next. When everything updated, open your site in new tab and make sure it didn't explode. Looks good? You're wizard. Professional tip. Do this regularly, every few weeks, minimum, ideally during low traffic hours. If rarely something does break, don't panic, breathe, go back to all-in-one WP migration, click 3 dots and hit restore. Boom, crisis averted. Subscribe for more tutorials, or don't, but if your website goes down again, don't come to me crying.